Hey fragrance fans and food lovers! Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of perfume. But not just any perfume. We're exploring the surprising connection between your favorite scents and your kitchen. That's right, the history of perfume is more delicious than you might think. Let's go on a journey through time and tantalize our senses. Picture this. Ancient Egypt, 3000 BC. Cleopatra sails down the Nile, her ship sails drenched in perfume. But what was in those fragrances? Believe it or not, many of the same ingredients you might find in your spice rack. Cinnamon, myrrh, and cardamom weren't just for cooking. They were luxury perfume ingredients. These aromatic treasures were so valuable, they were often used as currency. Talk about expensive taste. Fast forward to medieval Europe. Perfumes weren't just for smelling good, they were believed to prevent disease. People would carry pomanders, little balls filled with spices and herbs to ward off the plague. Imagine walking around with a clove-studded orange as your hand sanitizer. But here's where it gets really interesting. In the 18th century, the line between perfume and food started to blur. Ever heard of eau de cologne? It wasn't just for spritzing, people drank it. That's right, it was marketed as a cure-all tonic. Don't try this at home, folks. Today, the connection between perfume and food is stronger than ever. Many of the world's top perfumers started their careers as chefs. They understand that creating a great fragrance is a lot like crafting the perfect dish. It's all about balance, complexity, and that secret ingredient that makes people come back for more. So, next time you're in the kitchen, take a moment to appreciate those aromatic ingredients. That vanilla extract, it's a key note in many popular perfumes. Brewing coffee, you're releasing some of the same molecules found in expensive oud fragrances. Even that garlic you're chopping has molecules used in certain perfumes, though maybe not ones you'd want to wear. From ancient luxuries to modern kitchens, the story of perfume is a feast for the senses. It's a reminder that beauty, history, and flavor are often found in the most unexpected places. So, what's your favorite food-inspired scent? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this aromatic adventure, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories where history and everyday life collide. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you. You never know what amazing connections you might discover. This is Brittany Hart, signing off.